gonna get you, Mike. I'm gonna get you. Make the pass stick. Ah, here we go. Outside speed. I love that hill, man. I love that hill. This is a fun trail too. Wow!
I'm starting to feel better. Get my energy back.
So yeah, like John was just saying, that little snafu he had on that hill climb wore him out. So he's just trying to get it down. He said his arm got pumped real bad. So fucking just hooking in these corners, boy. I'll deal some mud posts for this kind of traction. Fucking awesome, dude. Conditions are good. So they definitely did not come this way. So I wonder if they're still going to go to the overlook. Fucking right, dude. Oh shit. That wasn't the most graceful. Yes! Man! That is awesome! That traction is freaking perfect right now.